please. It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Assalamualaikum and greeting to Dr. Daud. Today our group will present the internalization strategy of Top Glove Corporation Berhad. There are 6 members in our group. The first one is Muhammad Haziq bin Jamri. Next, Siti Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Mali, Kaizran Idlan bin Yusuf, Mariatul Soleha binti Zulkifli, Aimi Najwa binti Muhammad Azman, and the last one is Siti Nur Ashima binti Rasli.
Today we want to present to you about the international strategy of emerging market field. So the company that we choose is Top Glove Corporation Berhad. Top Glove is the huge producer of glove in the entire world, and they was found in 1991. They have manufacturing valid in Vietnam, China, Malaysia, Thailand, and many more. Top Glove not only sells glove, but they also sell non-glove fragment, include masks, dental rubber, sport band, and many more. Past year, in 2022, their market share down by 57% as the demand for the medical gloves start to normalize, and they had lost because of the oversupply in the market. But I believe this year, at the end of this year, their finance start to be more stable and start to make profit again. The product that I choose in this project is medical glove. There are 2 types of material to produce this glove. First is latex and second one is nitrile. One of the reason we choose this medical glove because today's health service in the entire world have been developed, so the demand for the medical supply has go up. That's all from me. I pass to the next person.
Next, I will continue with background of foreign country which is China. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is also initial supplier of equipment that manufactures standardization, surgical, and laboratory glove. China is the largest city and country in the world, so Top Glove can keep consistent with the biggest export market even with a huge trade pressure. Besides, China now is rising in healthcare expenditure. It is rapid growth in economic and lifestyle that make up the changes. They are firmer and more tightened with hygienic care in the house and out of the city. Furthermore, drastic changes to new norm lifestyle due to pandemic COVID-19 has been a main measure that gloves are the major essential to their community and institution of their country. Top Glove has seen to achieve a great potential for growth in China according to their high demand for medical gloves in the line to protect their citizens' life of expectancy. It has been a huge opportunity for medical glove manufacturers like Top Glove to have a strong economic relation with China as their biggest exporter for medical glove supplier.
Moving on, I will explain about the main market in Top Glove. Generally, Top Glove was the biggest manufacturer of rubber gloves in the world, with operations and marketing offices in many different countries, but the main market exporter here is from China. Due to the increasing demand for medical gloves, Top Gloves Corp PhD expects to see a double-digit growth in export revenue and profit from the China market. Life expectancy, purchasing power, and living standards are all rising in China, and that will surely increase demand for medical gloves or disposable gloves. Since the pandemic of COVID-19 started, the demand for medical gloves became higher whereas the economy of China had to use a lot of medical gloves to help the victims of COVID-19. Therefore, the exporting product of it began in 2019. As to why we choose China is because of China's continuous growth potential in the market, a talented labor force, unmatched infrastructure, and a commitment to strengthening its position as a manufacturing hub for emerging sectors. With its large labor pool, top-notch infrastructure, and other advantages, China continues to provide a distinctive and irreplaceable environment for manufacturing. Despite the focus on China's rising labor prices, these expenses are frequently mitigated by other aspects including worker productivity, dependable logistics, and the simplicity of domestic sourcing. Formerly regarded as an economic plague with knockoffs and fakes, China-based companies are today at the forefront of innovation and novel business structures. China spends significantly more on research and development than other nations with comparable levels of development, amounting to roughly 2.5% of GDP. These investments have helped to develop dynamic and cutting-edge business models that compete with or even outperform mature economies like the US in fields like e-commerce, finance, and artificial intelligence.
Now I will continue with the opportunities and threats of Top Glove Corp. One of the top glove opportunities is that its unorganized players are finding it challenging to operate in the medical equipment and supply sector as a result of rising government requirements. Top Glove Corp may have the chance to grow its consumer base as a result of this, but this trend included strong brand awareness where the medical equipment and supply sector is well known for the products of Top Glove Corp. Due to this, the business is now able to charge more than its rival in the medical equipment and supply sector. Next, the rapid technological innovation and development opportunities are raising industrial productivity and enabling suppliers to provide a wide range of goods and services. This may make it easier for Top Glove Corp to expand considerably into related products. Expensive replacement of current expertise at Top Glove Corp is their weakness. The knowledge base of Top Glove Corp is held by a small number of personnel, and replacing them under the current circumstance will be very challenging. Moving on to their threats, where shortage of experienced human resources may give the significant staff turnover and growing reliance on new solutions. Company name may soon encounter issues relating to skilled human resources, and the strength of the development of personnel skills and talent management at Top Glove Corp are crucial to the company's performance in the medical equipment and supply sector. Lastly, the threats in Top Glove Corp's continuous difficulty in the medical equipment and supplies industry is the tendency of urban market saturation and rural market stagnation. The slow rate of product uptake in rural markets is one of the causes. Local monopolies and niche markets that businesses like Top Glove Corp are the weaknesses. They could take advantage of rapidly disappearing.
Next, market mode entry. For international trade, foreign market entry modes are the ways in which a company can expand its services into a non-domestic market. Top Glove Corporation Berhad chose direct export to sell gloves, which sell directly to importers or buyers located in China as its export strategy. This strategy approach allows the organization leverage better on subjects such as the final product, distribution, and marketing practices. It also provides high profit opportunities when the market is selected carefully. If Top Glove Corporation Berhad is concerned about long-term development in an international market, direct exporting can be an effective entry strategy because it allows the business to gain market awareness and to establish distribution channels. In 2021, Top Glove served 2,000 various customers in 195 countries throughout the world. For the international strategy, we think global strategy is the strategy that Top Glove use for their product. It is because global companies coordinate their operation in foreign market to make the most of the advantage offered by each country while centralizing all the decision at the headquarters. Global strategy is used in industry where the pressure in adaptation is low and the pressure for lowering cost is high. Top Glove Corporation Berhad Global Strategy have reduced the operation costs. In 2021, there are lower wages in China compared to the United States because the labor cost is only one part of the total cost of the product, and in many cases it is low as 20% of the total cost. Next, the invention of nitrile glove in 1991 from Top Glove Corporation Berhad has transformed the glove marketplace and create the new demand globally. In addition to focusing on one commodity, Top Glove Corporation Berhad introduced innovative technology and ever-increasing environmentally friendly materials to expand their business as the need of nitrile glove expanded. This strategy has minimized the perception of risk.
In conclusion, internalization is a complex and challenging process for business of all sizes. It involves a true analysis of the target market, a clear understanding of the culture and legal difference, and the development of comprehensive strategy that takes into account the unique needs and goals of the company. The benefit of internationalization can be significant. However, it also comes with risks and require careful planning and execution. A well-crafted internationalization strategy can help a business navigate the challenge and capitalize on the opportunity of operating in a global market. Now back to our topic, the glove industry has its potential to grow due to the continuous demand for domestic and international market. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic also has increased the demand for rubber gloves for medical, healthcare and personal protection purpose. Throughout the case study, we found out that Top Glove used the whole own subsidiary and exporting as its expansion strategy. Top Glove must employ exporting tactic to compete because the local market is not big enough. We also think China could be the next market for the glove due to its size and demand. The Top Glove Corporation Berhad is anticipated to reach an even higher level of success in the near future with the help of management teams and the employees' effort and commitment. That's all from us. Thank you.